Greetings and salutations and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be looking at an Autodesk Education account, how to make it, what are the perks and who is actually eligible for it. The process is reasonably simple but can be a little bit irritating at times, but if you just get into it and persevere, the rewards will be more than worth it, because some of the software you get access to as a student is worth $5 grand a license, which is a lot. And no student would ever be able to afford it on their own without getting it either for free or a heavily discounted price. Fortunately, Autodesk offer it free for students as long as they are eligible. So let's get to it. So we have the education homepage here, and so at the top you got your free software, learn, teach, competition events, prepare Excel, support, and education. The free software. This is the portal where we can get all our software with an education account. Learn and teach. Where it loads, goes to the academy, which if you've got an education account you can go to sign up to free courses. Competitions and events, obviously brings it all into all the robotics, Revit and other student projects if you want to go into it. Prepare an Excel, this is all about getting certified, because as a student if you go onto the Ambassador Hub, every time you reach a milestone rank, which is bronze, silver, gold, platinum and diamond, you get a free certification voucher, so revise up and get certified, which will help you get employed. Support for when the education system has a couple of issues. There are also people on the forum who do have specialties in education support, which says people like me on the forum, and there are other people like Mark Lancaster and Natasha L who are really good on there, so ping them and they'll come and support you. And then just the about page. So if we actually go into support and we go down to the bottom, am I eligible? And when it loads up, to simply use Autodesk, you have to be either teaching a qualified education institution, that means it's recognised by a government, or it's going to be used, and it's going to be used for educational. You can't make any money off educational licenses, and believe me, they are serious about this. They specifically go around auditing big companies and really anyone they suspect who might be mislicensing and misusing software and not paying for what they should be paying for, and they have slapped fines down quite heavily, so don't mess around. Also, the education stuff, don't open any files with education software that are used in commercial. It'll immediately taint them, which leads the company more liable to an audit, and it could ruin their whole designs, so just don't. So yeah, if you meet these criteria, you can have a license, as long as you're also not in the US trade embargo. So as long as you go to a school, which is most people, which means unless you're homeschooled, that's the only kind of area. But apart from that, it's pretty simple. So go back to education, go back to free software. So you've got access to all of these software, and you literally just click log into your account and click apply. So if we just go into Inventor, now it's going to ask you to sign in or create an account. So if we create an account, and then it's just going to ask you for your country, territory, region. So if I just type in, let's go to United Kingdom, your education role, so I just tick a student, institution type, now high school, university, post-secondary, yada yada yada. I'll just choose university, don't go university, but I do actually have a role in education. This account is just going to be purely for demonstration purposes. Date of birth. You won't see this because I'm going to hide it. Boom, 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 boom. And so let's just say Leo Warren. Email address I am going to hide. And then you just agree to the terms of use, create account. Now it's then going to ask you to verify. So now I'm just going to grab my phone and there's the email notification come through. Verify your Autodesk account. So you just click on the email. And just click open with Safari. And so it's just going to ask me to log in. Doobie doobie doo. and do that. There ceases to be to put in my password. Put in that. And then it gives you the account verified. This single account gives you access to all your Autodesk products. And then we can just click continue here. Now it's going to ask for your educational institution. Now you will be verified at some point. If you don't know, Autodesk are deploying a system by a third party called ShareID, which basically means you have to upload your status of entitlement, so you actually prove you're a student or a teacher. This can be a status letter, a UCAS form if you're in the UK, or kind of like tuition payments to basically say, I definitely go to a school, because some businesses have abused it, some people will abuse it, and obviously because when you're using the honour system, it's always open to abuse, so they've now really tightened it up. So if I just type in, where should I go? So we'll just pick Cambridge. And we're going to choose, let's just say we're doing product design, and enrolled from. Normal time is about September, and let's just say 2017, and you graduate in July 2021. Let's say you're doing a 4-year course. And then your account is set. Click continue. And there you go. Now, so then when you want to request your software, you just click the software, you then just click the operating system, and then you load language, and then a big generator code. And so when you go into manage, all your licenses will appear there quickly and simply. Now this account will be deleted, any information you see will be blurred out and it will be closed. So I think that is everything for education. I will do some more things on the Ambassador Hub, but thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.